Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Beautiful Panama City Beach, Florida. Wonderful day to showcase a wonderful boat. This is a brand new 2021 Grady-White 285 Freedom. This is the 28-foot Freedom under the dual console. It is a beautiful seaport blue. Got the traditional Grady-White white. I'll explain how important that is to you when we get on top. This boat has a nice stainless steel anchor, pulpit, windlass, just tons of features up top. Let's go up top and then take a look at it. Here at the transom of the 285, as you can see that it is powered with twin 300 Yamaha, which are extremely bulletproof engines, tried and tested. These engines are super quiet, super efficient. Some features that Grady implements right here. It has got the Helm master system on it, which we'll go in detail here in just a few minutes. But has the walk-through transom door. If you notice how thick this door is, Grady overbuilds everything, hinges, hardware. It's just super, super structural. We have a ski pylon for all the fun water activities you got. You bring your mother-in-law on, throw her on the inner tube, drag her around the bay, she'll love it. Stainless steel cup holders, like I said, everything up here is stainless steel, 3/16 stainless. They don't use the cheap stuff. Once you get it good and polished, it generally keeps its luster. Very minimal maintenance. As you come aboard, if you've been out in the water on the island, you have a nice freshwater wash down, shower off, get all the salt off of you. This also works in conjunction with the raw water. So when you're back here fishing, you get a little fish blood on the boat, you wash it off, then knock the salt off with your fresh water. As I said, fishing boat, this is the freedom. It gives you the freedom to enjoy the island, do the intercoastal cruises, sunset cruises, dinner, but you also have a fully functional fishing boat. This boat here, their live well, dry box, fish box, as Grady always does, all the fish boxes drain directly overboard. They are insulated, so you can use them as a cooler. But what that means is none of the fish water, bloody water, anything like that gets down into the bilge. Even if you get fresh water in the bilge over a period of time, that water gets stagnant, smells. Grady solved that problem for you with all the fish boxes and cooler boxes drain directly overboard. You just rinse it out of here. There's no pumps or maintenance to contend with. Like I said, no smell, no bacteria. It just really, really makes your boating easy, and that's why you are boating, because you want something easy and fun, low maintenance to deal with. You got a huge bait well here, blue color, which is actually easy on your bait. It does have a LED blue light in it. Also has the Grady patented plenum system, which the entire water column will turn. It doesn't just spray and aerate the water, it turns the whole column, keeps your bait fresh and happy so you can catch that big fish. Once you catch that big fish, easy transom door, bring your fish aboard this way. Also works as a boarding ladder back and forth when you're on the dock. Makes it easy access if your dock's on the opposite side of the transom door. Has a ladder that you pop in, so easy. Like I said, it's a freedom, so it gives you great ability to use it on the island. So it's easy to get on and off the boat. It's just, again, high quality hardware. Everything about a Grady's great. So you're back here in the dance floor when you're fishing, integrated tow rails for when you're leaning over, padded combings, fighting that fish. It's easy to reach over and hook your fish, no chance of slipping. So back here in the back, like I said, this is configured into the fishing mode, but once you go into recreation mode, Grady has it where it's just, that's all you do to pop the seat out, easy retracting. Just makes everything super easy. No finger mashing, anything like that. All your upholstery is double stitched, very thick foam. This seat is actually canted backwards. So as you're traveling underway, you're leaning back in the boat. You're not leaning forward. It makes it super comfortable. This boat is equipped with the twin seats in the back. So as you're sitting here, you have your rod holder here. You're doing a little trolling, a couple of rods. Couldn't ask to go fishing in a more comfortable boat. This boat also has the electrically actuated reclining seats on both sides. So once you're at the island, pop the sunshade out, covers this whole area. It's a power retractable sunshade. Like I said, Grady just kind of thinks of everything. Coming up midship, double companion seat, double helm seats. You can get close to your significant other and really enjoy the island, cruising, dinner cruise, leaning bolster. But the heart and soul of this boat is the new Yamaha Helmmaster. This boat's equipped also with the integrated autopilot. Once you're on plane, after we install the electronics of your choice, you tell the boat where you want to go, you push the button, hands free, takes you right to your spot. If you need to adjust your course, one click of the joystick puts you at 1 degree, hold it 3 seconds, changes you to 5 degrees. And you can configure that any way you'd wish. The new Helmmaster has your 3 set points here instead of having to program it through your unit. If you want to just hit stay point, stays on your location. Now the captain can do some fishing. He don't have to sit there and work the controls to stay on location. Also, if you're at the filling station, you're waiting on the fuel dock, 5 Sea-Doos come up ahead of you, you push the button, it holds you on course. You're there, you're set, ready to go. Tons and tons of features. We can't cover them all right here, but we'd be glad to do you a test drive and sea trial on it. This boat is equipped with what I really love about the hardtops is it has the enclosure. And what that does is on a cold day, you can use your boat. You don't have to worry about it. You have a magnetic air dam door here. What that does is keeps the vibration. You don't have any shaking and rattling hinges, latches. Once you lock that in, you have a locking mechanism here for your windshield. Totally enclose your cockpit. The great thing about the Grady is you can use your boat just about year round, especially down here in the beautiful panhandle of Florida. These boats are also equipped with a huge head. That compartment will let you have your locking rod storage, so if you get to the restaurant, you want to lock your rods up, you want to get them off the rocket launchers there, they're good and secure. Tons of room up here, stereo system, windlass anchor that can be controlled from the bow or the helm back here. Like I said, this boat has so many features, it's just really hard to cover it here in a short video. So we ask you to come down to MarineMax, Panama City Beach. We'll walk through it, spend as much time on the boat as you'd like, and set you up a sea trial. Be sure to check out our content that's being updated weekly. So we have hit the like button and the little bell, and you'll get all our notifications of all our new inventory coming in. I'm Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Come see me, let's take it out.